As part of a sad tale of the Indian Removal Act, by 1835, Jackson, even though there was a Supreme Court ruling that supported the claim of the Cherokees to stay in Georgia, President Jackson ignored it. And he sent his general, Winfield Scott, to forcibly remove the Cherokees from the land. So what happened was they actually marched them. So imagine going from Georgia, across Tennessee, through Kentucky, into Illinois, through Missouri, and where you walked into Oklahoma. Now the first thing is, Georgia is nothing at all like Oklahoma. Okay, it's a completely different landscape, completely different kind of crops grow there, completely different kind of weather. So if you grew up and your heritage was in the northern tip of Georgia, being forced to move to Oklahoma would be, I just can't imagine it. It would be a tearing away of everything that you knew and every bit of your culture and everything that you knew how to grow and your lifestyle and everything about your people would have to change. And at first the Cherokee were trying to ignore the demands to move, but when they knew that they were going to be forced by guns, by the military, they decided to go. Now, that route is thousands of miles, and they walked it. Now, if you can imagine children, elderly, people who are sick, what happened is, as they watched there, that's why this is called the Trail of Tears, although the Cherokee call it Trail Where They Cried. Along the way, many, many people died. Thousands of people died. And not everyone survived the walking from Georgia through 3, 4, 5 states to relocate into Oklahoma. But it did serve the purposes that Jackson wanted. It cleared the way for Georgia to be populated by white people who wanted to settle into the area. So that is known as the Trail of Tears.